walk around a day. 159,715 miles today. Interior leather. This is damaged. Buttons all work here. Just missing the latch. Interior's dirty. The leather needs to be conditioned pretty bad. Back's good shape. Again, could use leather conditioner. Power windows all work. Just got it washed. Not a very good washer, so you can see the dirt. Also see there's no rust in there. These door jambs. Open the hood here. .4 liter, 454 Canon filter charger thing. Single battery with a date of 2/23. Thermostat just done. Oil change just done. Nothing to speak of in there that I'm aware of. Air conditioning works. A little bit of oil. I didn't wash the engine, I never do. Close these up here. Just did idler arm, pitman arm. The tires are pretty rough yet, but I do have another set of tires go with it. Let's start from the driver's side here. So this had bushwhacker flares on it, which is what caused these marks here. Those are the factory mounting holes. Cowl hood it does show it. So no, the clear coat's pretty much gone on the hood. It is a metal hood. Front tires are pretty rough. Some uneven wear on them. It doesn't shake, but they're a little loud. Got bed liner on the bottom. Wow, this view makes me look fat. New door latch. See on the back it's worse as far as the rubbing. I have 3 flares that can go with it. I don't have the 4th one. Tailgate handle's good. Just got that fixed. There's a turn up ball gooseneck thing in there. The main body damage is on this side. We've got some Wyoming pinstripes. Scrape in there. Back tires are even worse. See the body wear there. Dent here. It should pop out pretty easily. And with it, there's scraping here, small dent here, bigger dent here. Dent in the top corner there. And around to the other front tire. The camera doesn't show it as much, but there definitely have some uneven wear on them. No real body rust there. Front bumper's decent. Windshield is decent. See that? No rust hole through in the bed. Frame is 26-year-old frame. BMW. Little dirt left over from weekend's adventures. New shocks, dirty already, but they're the new. Front and rear diff service just done. Oh, my favorite part here. You can see the bed liner sprayed on it. Some surface thrust frame. It's got flow masters or something underneath it there. Go over there and look. Nothing through on the body. Previous owner front brakes done and rotors. Oh, flow masters, hang on. Some, I don't know what they are. They're pretty loud, throaty, sound good. Ow, the ground is hot. This side will be quicker. The ground is hot. Oh. Yeah. Nothing. Nope, that's the right angle. Nothing in the rockers at all. It's a solid truck. Towed the camper last weekend with it. Air conditioning works. It's not super strong, but it does work. Bed liner in there. You already saw that. Title's ready to go. Another scratch. Back all the way up here. Cool. Look at what we got. Looks good, looks mean. Wheels are 17-inch, 265 70/17s. You could go up a size, I'm sure. Lots of room. And pretty awesome looking truck. Not a $15,000 truck, but maybe a $8,000. They're hard to find.